Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Of course, here today guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy A04e. Now of course, this is a Samsung Galaxy. If you do have this device, I'll show you how to fix the black screen issue on this particular device. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys, in case you're having the black screen issue, where of course the display is black or blank, and of course you're not seeing anything on the display. And again, another thing with this problem is that you'll find that you may hear sounds, you may hear messages, you may even hear calls, but of course you're unable to see anything on the display. All right, so this is how we fix it whenever we have this problem. Do note, it's not happening to this device. I'm simply demonstrating to show you how we deal with this particular problem. All right, so just follow along as I demonstrate how to fix the problem. All right, so check out the device guys. So this edition is just this one, so you can check out what it looks like. All right, so the first thing you want to do is locate your volume button, which is volume down, your power button. As I said, it's not happening to this device. I'm simply demonstrating. Forgive me as well, I'm doing this with one hand. So hold down power and volume down. You're going to hold both. You're not going to necessarily see anything on screen as I have here, but of course keep holding and keep holding, and as soon as you see the Samsung screen you can let go. All right, or you see any flash of anything on the screen. All right, so the device is going to reboot as seen here, and what you want to do from here is go ahead and allow the system to boot up. As soon as you do that, what's going to happen is that you're going to realize that the device is going to boot all the way back up, and of course where there was nothing on the display, it will start to show something on the display again, and it should fix the problem. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. If you give this a few minutes, if it takes a little while, do not worry. It tends to do that especially sometimes, so just allow it to boot back up completely. All right, and there you go. The device has booted back up, and as you can see, it is fully functional. All right, so this is in the tutorial. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same bye until next time. Bye.